Neil Armstrong Mortagbe ono ana the inventor, the initiator of the restoration of the Phobian glory, but when to me and we Jumedia na would do House of Folk no ana uja editor nkoma odi aba edi afasina nema esia ko ema A2 clubs Asante Kotoko ene Accra House of Folk yenno suko yentomu Kotoko nsemu dia enra ana nane amponsa the latest and the freshest chief executive officer in town ono ene the management members omina bo green na Kotoko no ahyenso dia no ebo matadiem na moton Sunday Fair Central Folk kuma se pani behwe na nya asem keto akra san komo ni bi ana na aya amponsa chief executive officer edema Kotoko omobo enra no ebini Kotoko Jason una kofa bae
aye
una kofa Jason bae okay mo contract na wu
there be hu ye
uguso ne
It is when I look behind me I am elated I must say to have such huge personalities. I've had calls, how did you get them together? How did you manage to convince them to come? Because some of them have taken 50% pay cut. Some of them have taken 80% pay cut to be here. I will start first and foremost with Mr. Emmanuel Newton Dasoberi. The next person I will introduce is Mr. Eric Anwaku-Chung. Mr. Anwaku-Chung is our commercial manager. Next to Eric is a beautiful lady, Akosia Denta Amwati. The next person on the list is Ekuya Bukuya Martin, ESQ, lawyer. For a club like Asante Kotoko, our legal structure must be solid. And let me admonish all of you, if you are expecting me to say that when I came there was this problem there was that problem, and this and that, I'm sorry to disappoint you. I did not come into the job to speak about problems of the past. If everything was smooth, I wouldn't be here. I was brought here for the present and the future.
Nti Kumasi Asante Kotoko wo chief executive officer na amponsa enenra muso ne management members na mabo green na se habamono ana ma share na afi wo hwe arms band na se black eno in uhwese na Mexico so na mo sympathize with a offense team from say African Vision Academy emrantie nkumakus fo nkwala omu fi offense so Kumasi no mkunya akwanhyem na omu fi Kumasi esande omani ache offense no nti uhwe arms band black na se ne mo the sympathize with team no enso eno no won ka se mo no side jase nyame adoma ombe pone kakra de asan koja team is kan de amo kan de enhyeda nya ni kantime mo so ha but ye komu biu na ohwese na nema esie kwana ya mponsa to nyampia bi manimu se obi a opese one kotokotwema nso bia no omaye krado na omo ebe match ni pano boot for boot ani ekomu na sentem ya ba ne se kotokoje se fence strike nya ne tie se new management hwanim se omo be sande different case sponsors etiansa by 1 hwa na se strike jisa Yusuf Al-Hassan Chipsa former Kumasi Asante Kotoko player okofa bre omo a womo ahya no eni omo ne beton kwanta pai ebia na ehintasem bi wachiri se Yusuf Al-Hassan Chipsa odi ombe kokko tintie tan to sabisa Yusuf Al-Hassan Chipsa se ajebia woni Kotokofo problem bi fasade ya okofa bre omo nana Kotoko Jason una kofa bae
aye
una kofa Jason bae okay mo contract na wu
there be hu ye
uguso ne Kotoko adwuma
ane
okay ti Jason ni bi o ha Kotoko de still
ane this is all
strike no na kofa bae
na kofa bae wale obi a organ bi anu sem na kofa strike bae ada obi juma chimiana
enwi the contract ni so nwi
there be enwi
ti so what say om say nyame adom mo pe Jason papa fi ba bi di aba
well ya tititi send the start here punana na ya onyama na new board in my the previous immediate past management omumre na ya shas ye hu samples kra ye hu mock-ups ye hu physical samples be free THB this brand omokete Lagos City you saw me almost samples headed by, but still na strike it, you know. You go see a juma.
Oh, okay.
And he said, you go be my bed.
Oh, okay. Tikoto Gonshisha, Yatise Omoye, na Omasasa Jesse, no, Omomo Amanie.
There be Omomo Amanie. And now, if you say, strike, and yet the first brand ever Kotoko, and it's not going to be the last. And you know, any problem, Wale, say, and Anna China, almost say, Omonia, be before. A better sin yet, and I said, before Purcell Moo a free year, then so called them. So, anyhow, be the answer a better nas in Eddie or say, a day in a more shaquam, no counsel, and I say, Ubia, a penny baby fire.
Nti ekutia nim nira sana na yampon sanka semno ka se obi modane mo ho efie kuko ana omo edi kotoko aburo no wese na mesi koso ebisa Yusuf Alasan chips ase ewa na ose ono de onje emfama no nyame adoma ehon komo ebetua sato aso ewa sempa 94.7 FM so mesrew kwa Adom FM anasa Adom TV ye live stream ne so bon sampa dwumedi da ho ko YouTube abobo so aksan koda ho se kolem nti o hwe Adom TV akiri kwa uko Facebook ho ana afi so ko YouTube so a na esa abobo eda ho se kolem nti mesrew ye kosi sen no bekọ akiri no apraprachi kama na bo ma niam atia ko Jeffas phone pay father ma the Jeffas and the touch na fi 1xbet mesrew I've always told you that betting is better than Sakawa, and it's bet the entire 7 is trying to be for and I wouldn't be for. Oh, Sky could be on past our betting cotton for Nina, Shabetim, na Emwa, na fashion when you na fair Shabrash and bet by a buying and a team no Jatum Sampa, a yard pa, 1xbet, Madama, woman a touch him and another pension, come on,